Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find student rank in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document from the Excel sheets. This name of the student name. Now, then show the percentage and find from the rank. Firstly, now click for the rank first option. Now, keyboard press from the equal option. Now press from the right from the rank first bracket and select from the percentage first. Now for comma. Now select from the all percentage. Now keyboard press from the F4. Now press from the first bracket close. Now press from the enter. That's it. Now mark from the all line. That's it. Then we show the find student rank in Microsoft Excel. Now try from the for the under. That's it. Then I show the find student rank in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for